So why we are not able to use our full potential as human beings? This is because we humans have designed a system that strictly focuses on the physical aspects of our being. So as we grow up, we start to lose connection with our inner voice. By spiritual growth, I don't mean that we should start meditation and spirituality courses and make it another money making system. No. Why are you meditating? What is it all about? Just because everybody is meditating doesn't mean that that is the only way of living in the present. Once you are spiritually connected with the universe directly starts mentoring you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to talk to you about spirituality. I'll give you a very short brief so that you are able to understand what exactly is this spirituality all about. So, till the time we are not spiritually enlightened, we feel that who we are is just this body. And the day we die is going to be the end of our life. But that is not true. It's not true, then why do we feel so? Why, if we are not this body, if we are not just this body, then who exactly we are? So let me tell you, body is just the costume that we are wearing, or you can say body is just the hardware. But there is a very important part of our being, which is our soul. And you can also say it's like a software. And but this is the software which will never get corrupted and it will live forever. So our soul is the software, and our soul is connected with the entire universe, or you can say that we are connected with the entire universe through our soul. So how do we connect with our soul? We connect with our soul through our inner voice. So you must have experienced that many times when we want to do something, we get a very strong gut feeling, something from within that says, no, this is not right, don't do this. If you notice that very subtle message we get, subtle feeling we get, no, don't do this. And sometimes we listen and sometimes we say, no, 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 I still want to do it. Right? So that subtle feeling that you get is actually your inner voice. And this inner voice is very, very strong in children because children live in the present and therefore their awareness level is very, very good and they are very innocent as well. But as we grow up, we have a lot of things in our, and our mind gets so cluttered with so many thoughts in our mind at the same time that we forget to live in the present moment. So when we don't live in the present moment, our awareness level becomes really, really bad. So if you notice children are always living in the present and they are very cheerful, and whatever they say, like if you must have heard that children are like God. A child's voice is like God's voice. If you must have heard. So all these technologies like cell phone, internet, human cloning, spaceships, all these technologies that we humans have developed are actually inbuilt within us. And this is a very, very common thing for our soul, for our spirit, to be able to travel in the space and time, and to be able to connect with people from anywhere in the world, in fact, anywhere in the universe, merely through thoughts and feelings, and to be able to be at more than one place at the same time, and a lot of other things. So why we are not able to use our full potential as human beings? This is because we humans have designed a system that strictly focuses on the physical aspects of our being. So as we grow up, we start to lose connection with our inner voice because we are too influenced by what will people say. No, this is the right way to do this. My neighbors are also doing like this. The person who succeeded in life has done it the same way. So the main thing about spirituality is being able to live in the present. And how can you live in the present? Today, if you see, lots of people are meditating all over the world. There are so many meditation courses. But before joining any meditation course, you should try and understand, why are you meditating? What is it all about? Just because everybody is meditating doesn't mean that that is the only way of living in the present. You can design a lifestyle where you can always live in the present moment. And when you are successfully able to design this kind of a lifestyle, you will easily and effortlessly go into the meditative state. So, spirituality is all about connecting with your inner self. And once you connect with your inner self and get to know your soul, and then you will start connecting with the universe. And how do you connect with the universe? You connect with the universe through thoughts and feelings. If you must have heard this word clairvoyant. So you hear these messages through feelings. So people actually write books and quotations and do lot of art just by listening to these messages that they get through their feelings. And so this is one beautiful part of spirituality, that once you are spiritually connected with the universe directly starts mentoring you. So have you ever thought that why we are not able to use our full potential as human beings? Don't you think that we should not just focus on the physical aspect of us? When we know that even if we are not connected with our soul, a lot of us are not connected with our soul. We still know that our soul is a very, very important part of our being. So don't you think we should redesign the existing system? A system that focuses on the spiritual growth, a system that gives equal weightage to spiritual learning, spiritual growth. By spiritual growth, I don't mean that we should start meditation and spirituality courses and make it another money making system. No. By spiritual growth, I merely mean that why not, as parents, we focus on our children's spiritual growth right from the very beginning. But to be able to do that, we ourselves as parents have to be aware that yes, there is this beautiful science and technology of the universe called spirituality. So I think this is the time for us to be able to understand and educate ourselves about spirituality, so that we can enable the younger generation to be able to use their full potential as human beings.